the 10 rejuvenating things you must do if you are in Abbottabad, Pakistan. Abbottabad is where the journey to heaven begins. It often deemed as the gate of paradise. However, you don't just need to admire the beauty of this city while on your way to northern areas. Stop for a few days and enjoy this city to the fullest. You will fall in love with it for sure. Here are some things you must do if you are in Abbottabad. Number 1. Visit the sacred Ilyasi Mosque, fed by freshwater springs and full of legends. Ilyasi Mosque is the largest and the oldest mosque in Abbottabad. It is known for its fresh water spring that flows into the mosque from the mountains. Many fairy tales are associated with this place. Strolling on the walking paths behind the mosque, you can enjoy the cool weather. Don't forget to delve into the Jamiliyesh pakoras that are just one of its kind. Number 2. Go for a hiking in the Shimla Hills. The hills cradling Abbottabad in the northwest are the beautiful Shimla Hills. You can walk up the cool, pine-clad hills woven with trails and enjoy panoramic views of the city from the top. Enjoy a cup of tea and the snacks in the open-air restaurant while the children have some fun on the rides. Number 3. Go for an exciting ride of the chairlift, enjoying breathtaking views. Newly opened in the township area, this beautiful chairlift offers a wonderful experience. Number 4. Go for a picnic to the beautiful Harnoi Lake. Harnoi Lake is a popular picnic spot with clear flowing water and lush green hills all around. Pack your picnic essentials and have a fun-filled day with your family. Number 5. Escape to the Lady Garden on a fine Sunday morning. Dating back to the 19th century, this lovely garden is lined with flowering trees. With swings and rides and food stalls, it is a popular destination for the citizens. Number 6. Have the delicious pakoras and chapli kebabs which Abbottabad is so famous for. The delicious pakoras and chapli kebabs will make your visit to the Abbottabad worth it. Number 7. Go for skiing when nature gives a beautiful snow blanket in winter. With steep slopes covered in snow, it is the ideal place for skiing in the winter. Number 8. Go for a day trip to the stunning hill station of Tandayani. The hill station of Tandayani is where you can talk to the clouds and experience the beauty of wilderness. Get on the horse and enjoy the scenic beauty. Number 9. Visit Haripur with your significant other of a romantic gateway. 35 kilometers south of Abbottabad, this breathtaking valley will enhance your mood and relax your mind and soul. Number 10. Visit the famous St. Luke's Church and experience the stunning architecture. The age-old church at Abbottabad captures its essence. This place is worth a visit. Have you visited any of these? If not, what are you waiting for?